In today's video, I will be completing my community challenge for the month of July. And guys, we will be starting a new challenge for the month of August. I also have some Happy Meal that I'm excited to share with you guys. If this is content you're interested in, please stay tuned. Alrighty guys, I'm going to put the mail to the side for a second and we're going to start with our community collaboration or community challenge from Yancy at Budgeting My Debt. Guys, we are almost done for the month of July and we will be starting August today because, as you already know, I'm always a few days behind. Alright, so for the month of July, guys, we have the 28th, the 29th, the 30th, and the 31st. And the 28th, she picked the 1. The 29th, she picked the 1. The 30th, a 4. And the 31st, a 3. Now, I believe we have $20 here. $20 is correct. So $7, $8, $9. I'm gonna put this to the side. Fix this money here. Okay, so we have $9 now. We're going to count to see how much we saved. Now, I already saw Yancy and a couple other creators, so I know how much we saved, but let's make sure we have that amount. So we've got 20, 40, 60, 85, 90, 95, 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, $111, guys. And that is the exact amount that Yancy and a few other creators came up with. So guys, we saved $111. Right now, I'm not 100% sure what I'm going to do with it. More than likely, I'm just going to spend it on me and the kids. I was thinking about saving it for Christmas because after all, this was Christmas in July. But I think I'm just going to cut myself some slack and treat myself and the kids to something. I'm not sure what yet, but we'll figure it out. Now, for August, guys, today is only the 2nd. Go and print this here from her Ko-Fi shop. It is a freebie and join in on the fun. As you guys saw, we saved $111 and it wasn't hard at all. So come join us. We would love to have you. All right, so far for August, she drew she rolled. I keep saying drew. 2. And today was a whopping 6. But that's okay, because like I said, this is all about saving money. So we should have $8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, $8. And we have a few left. We're going to put that money there. And we are on a roll. Guys, I am so sorry. Listen, I've been putting off recording this video for a little bit because someone was out there mowing their lawn and they had stopped. And guess what? They started again. I hope the noise doesn't bother you. This isn't going to be a very long video. I wanted to start off with August and close out July as far as that challenge went. And I have some Happy Meal, guys. This is just 2 of them. I ordered some other stuff and I'm not too sure. I have to look because I wasn't home. Oh, let me put this money away. I'm going to put it right here for now. I wasn't home. My neighbor got my mail for me. I bought some beautiful challenges from Lisa Grateful Me, and I printed the freebie that she sent out for the month, but I did not print out the ones that I bought. So I'm going to print them out soon so that I can put them into the savings challenge book that I want to put them in so that we can continue to save. Now let's see what we've got here. Give me 1 second. I want to make sure that the address or anything isn't showing. Okay. Here we are. Now this here is from, oh, this is cute. This here is from Savings Creations Co. It's from Sony, I'm so sorry. It might be Sunny. But anyway, let me read you the card real quick. It's a thank you for your purchase. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my small business. Your order truly made my day, and I hope it brings a little extra joy to yours. If you love your purchase, I'd be so grateful if you could leave a review on my Etsy shop. It helps others discover my creations and helps my small shop grow. Thank you again for being a part of this journey. With gratitude, Sunny. And it just has her Etsy shop. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I will link it in the description. This is a freebie. Her dreams don't whisper, they roar with possibility. How pretty is this? I love it. And it's laminated, as you can see. Beautiful, beautiful. Now, these are the ones that I ordered. That, by the way, is a freebie. Look how pretty, guys. Now, I am going to bring back my A5 binder, hopefully this month. And a majority, if not all of them, will be scratch offs. So that's why I purchased these and a few other ones that should be coming in. This might be one of them as well. So caffeine, my favorite budget category. Keep calm and save coffee money. Broke but beautiful. And coffee. How beautiful is this? The denominations are 1 through 15. And we're going to save $80 once this is done. How pretty, guys. I love this. Now look at this one here. You've spent too long shrinking to fit spaces you've outgrown, softening your dreams to keep others comfortable, and holding back your light to avoid being too much. Amen. I absolutely loved this when I saw it. I love her challenges. Look how pretty they are. This one here is going to save us $65, so I'm excited to start working on that one. And again, she sent us a freebie. Thank you so much, Sunny. I love this. All right, let's open this one. This one here is from Angie's Finance, and Angie is actually also on YouTube. Look how cute. It came in a little black bag. I love these bags, and I actually reuse them, so this one is really pretty. I saw her actually using one of the challenges, and I said, oops, I gotta have that. That is so cute. And guys, I love this. Now, for those of you who don't know, I am a fall baby. Fall is my absolute favorite time of year. So I love the browns, the oranges, the neutral colors. So when I saw this, I was like, oh my God, it's so cute. Look how cute this is packaged, y'all. All right, so let's open this up. Guys, I had to pause for a second because Jaden just walked in the room. He said he wanted to say hi to you guys. So
hi, guys.
Hi, guys. He kills me with his deep voice. Hi, Jaden. How are you? How have you been?
I'm good.
Alrighty, guys. Here is her thank you card. There is a 20% code that I'm sure she doesn't want me to share with everybody. But if you guys make a purchase, I'm sure you'll get the same 20% off code. Your support means the world to me. Thank you for choosing to buy from my shop. Please enjoy 20% off your next order. These are, if you want to, as a matter of fact, I'll zoom it in. You can pause it. You can take a picture of these and connect with her. Give me 1 second. I know some of you don't like all this noise, so give me 1 second. I'll be right back. So I am back. We have this beautiful scratch off 50 hidden gems. I love the simplicity of this. And we have a roll of dice. That is what this here is for. Look how pretty the aesthetic of this one here is. Look. I love it. I can't wait to start with this one. And oh, she sent me a freebie, a no spend savings tracker. I love this one. You know what? This is exactly what I need after the amount of money I've been spending. She must have watched my video because I've been spending so much money since what, June, and this is definitely going to help me save some money and have some no spend days. Alrighty, guys, so these are the challenges that I have purchased to date. Guys, I did purchase some more. I am waiting for them to come. And like I said, I have some beautiful ones that need to be printed out. Once I print them out, I will absolutely share them with you guys because you know what? That's what we're here for. I'm not going to be buying every single month. I will, however, support as many people as I can, even if it means just leaving $2 or $3, a tip on their Ko-Fi when I make, when I print out a couple of their challenges. I'm here to help and support everybody, and I love the fact that everyone in the community does the same. You guys are truly the best. I hope you guys are having a great Saturday. I've got Jaden here waiting to tell me something, so I'm going to end this video here. You guys, take care of yourself, stay safe, be blessed, and we will be chatting soon.
Bye.